Alright, so hey family, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back now, and if you read that title down below, then you should already know what we're getting into today. So you guys, today I'm going to be spilling some tea on how you guys can create passive income right from your home, creating low content books off of Amazon for free. Yes, I said for free. Those of you who do not know, I have recently created a low content book. It is an affirmation journal. So aside from me creating that book, I figured why not come on here and give my subscribers the game on how they can make more money themselves. First of all, what is a low content book? A low content book is basically books that have word searches, coloring pages, connect the dots. You can do journals like I said, as well as children's books. So all of those books are very low content books, and they sell very well on Amazon if it is very neat and created well. So today I'm going to show y'all how to do those steps so that you can make your money and your book can be up to par. It's in your best interest to grab a notepad or something, have something close by for you to be able to take these notes down, because I don't want to make this video long and drawn out, but I do want to give you guys substantial amount of information. The first thing that you're going to do when you're creating your low content book would be figure out what kind of low content book do you want to make. Do you want to make an activity book for kids and adults that can include coloring pages as well as word searches? Or do you guys want to create a journal where people can write and express themselves? Y'all know what a journal is. So once you come up with that idea and you determine what kind of low content book you want to create, the first thing you're going to do is go on BookBolt.com. And once you pull up BookBolt.com right from your Safari or from your Internet Explorer, you're going to create you an account. Now, they do have a 3-day free trial, and then right after the free trial, I think it's like $20 for the membership, and the membership gives you everything. You're able to go on there and create the book using Interior Pro, which I'm going to get into in a second, as well as finding your rankings for the type of books that you want to create, and not just for low content books, all kind of books that you want to create on Amazon. You would go on there, type in product search. In the product search area, type in the kind of book that you want. From my experience, I typed in journal, affirmation journal, and all of the rankings pop up. It'll basically show you how good of a seller the book is, give you keywords to help your book sell on Amazon, as well as help people to navigate to your book. So that's the first thing you want to do. Go through BookBolt, create your free account, and then once you create your free account, what you want to go to is Interior Pro through your account up in the corner. So once you go to Interior Pro, you're going to click the plus sign that has the front and the back pages, and you're going to click Interior, and all of the pages are going to pop up for you guys that they have preset already in their system. They have journal pages, dream journals, they have mood trackers, fitness trackers. They also have weekly agendas, self-care planners, all type of things. So depending on what you want to do, you can go in there yourself and select the pages that are already created for you. You don't have to do no extra. You just choose what size you want, how many pages you want, and you go ahead and select it. Now, once you go ahead and you have created the interior part of your book, which is the inside pages, what you want to do is want to type in KDP Publishing on your Internet Explorer or your Safari, on your phone or on your computer, whichever one, and it's going to ask you to log in. Now you're going to log in with your Amazon account. At least that's what I did. If you want to create an account separately just for your books, you can do that, but I logged in with my personal Amazon account. And once I logged in and I went to the publishing part, it's going to give you the list of steps, and you just basically follow all those steps. Fill in your book information like the title and things like that. It manually gives you an ISBN. If you don't already have one, you can request for them to give you one, and it's going to pop up as a little small barcode on the back. Really straight to the point. Is no hard thinking really. Just make sure you go on Canva. You can go on Canva and create your book cover, and what you want to do is you want to make sure you are following the specific measurements that you are picking off of BookBolt. Everything needs to coincide with each other from the beginning to the end, from the book pages to the book measurements, all of that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you guys an example of what your book will look like from Amazon once it is published and ready to go and for sale. My book here, I have the paperback version as well as the hardback version. My hardback version is taking a little bit longer because it is a hardcover. So this is what the book looks like. As you guys can see, it has my title, which is Mental Health for Moms, Affirmation and Interactive Journal, and it has my name at the bottom. It's really, really cute. It's sturdy. Y'all can see the pages. It has the little line on the back. Like I told y'all, it has the barcode with the ISBN. When you open it up, it has basically my mission statement, and then you actually get into the content. So when you first open it up, it has my daily affirmations in there as well as morning routines. So basically what you're going to do is in the morning time when you first wake up at the beginning of your day, you're going to open it up. You're going to read your daily affirmation just to give you a good head start, and you want to begin to jot down your morning routines, such as like making sure you brush your teeth, washing your face, and things of that nature. And now I created this book basically to your thoughts, to see your thoughts on paper is such an empowering thing for you. I know me, I deal with mental illness. I do suffer with anxiety as well as depression, and I know that sometimes when I get in one of my moods and I get in my ways, it's really, really hard to pull myself out of bed. And so this journal with the morning routines will just help people to get a jump start on their day so that they're not just sulking in their sadness and in their depression. Most of you don't know that when you deal with depression, simple things such as getting up, cleaning your house, taking a bath, doing those things, it becomes really, really challenging when your mind isn't all the way there. You have no motivation. So this book is aimed to be your motivation. It has your weekly agenda so that you're able to write down and see the things that you have coming up for the week. It has a self-care planner that's on here for weekly focuses so that you guys making sure that you're getting your self-care in, because self-care is a big part of bringing yourself out of that state. Going to get your hair done, going to get your nails did, and not even just doing things like that. Taking 30 minutes to yourself is a part of self-care. So you jotting that down and actually physically seeing your thoughts will help you a tremendous amount. And I know it will, because it helps me. It helps me a lot. It has weekly meal planners so you can be able to plan your meals, because like I said, when you're suffering with depression, sometimes you will lose your appetite and it can cause you to lose weight because like I said, you're not motivated. You have no energy to do anything, even eat. So having this meal planner will keep you adjusted. It has fitness on here because like I said, your weight will fluctuate when you're going through this. People don't have no motivation to get up and work out. So this book is to help you have your motivation. It goes down to the prayer journals when you're writing your prayers. If you need to talk to God, certain things that you cannot say out loud, this book is your safe haven. And I highly suggest you guys get this book. If you have friends or family members that you know that are dealing with mental health, that have kids that are moms, and not even just moms, women in general, please, please, please recommend this book to them. It is available for sale on Amazon right now in the paperback and hardcover book. It's a great Christmas gift. It's very, very affordable. It's 76 pages, so you definitely getting more bang for your buck. And I really just hope that this book can help somebody the way that it has helped me, because I know that getting stuck in your head and not being able to find your way can be very, very hard. It can be very, very demeaning. It can make you feel like you have no purpose on this earth. And so this book, like I told you guys, is basically your brain on paper, seeing your thoughts, seeing the things that you can't really say to anybody else will help you a lot, because you're not keeping all of that excess negative energy built up inside of your body. You're releasing it. Nobody else has to see it because it is a journal. It's very, very private and discreet. That's why I didn't really put anything on the back, and the cover is self-explanatory. It's very discreet. And like I said, I hope it helps the next person. I hope me showing you guys my published book will help you guys to go on Amazon and get started on publishing your own book, so you guys can create more income for yourself and for your family, as well as helping other people through your books. So this is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to make sure I leave the link to my book in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. Recommend it to a friend, share it, get it for somebody for Christmas. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see each and every one of y'all in the next one. Peace out.